Alright, it's recording.
You sleeping, and we
Cobi
miss you,
is
Kobe.
snoring.
Hey, Kobe.
Yeah,
I don't-
dog.
Kobe, if you admit Sonic sucks, snore some more.
Yes.
Oh,
The
oh,
fuck, I love you, dog.
What if he just woke up and she's like, "Oh, fuck you guys."
Wait, we already got it on tape. You already admitted it now.
Kobe, if you like to suck dick, keep snoring.
Oh, that's terrible.
Don't, he snored, he admitted it.
Yes!
Messed up.
This is Payback, you motherfucker. This is going on YouTube, bitch.
That's messed up.
He did,
No,
the
it's-
same,
That is.
he did the same thing to me, so I'm fucking getting
He
paid
put it
back
on
like-
YouTube too.
Yep,
Yep.
in fact, I had some.
Yeah, he did.
When did he do that?
It's a video called Dominic Snoring.
Damn.
Oh, the love is strong.
The love is strong.
The love is strong. Kobe, if you think Mario's better than Sonic, keep snoring. There you go.
Oh shit, Kratos got level 3. Time to go and die.
Kobe, if you're finally gonna admit Sonic All-Stars Transform suck, snore.
I love that game, man.
There.
Kobe,
Yeah, there you
like
go.
Norman Reedus.
Do you like Norman Reedus?
He didn't snore. if you like mushroom tops, snore.
Messed up.
Yep.
Yep.
Damn, he was gone like a light. He was out. There was no warning. Just where'd Kobe go? Gone.
Kobe, you're one snore.
Wait, what?
Did he not do it that time? Maybe he can hear a little bit.
But not enough to get up.
Where's that background noise coming from?
Probably bad.
What is it?
Is that Kobe?
What is it?
Oh, I think it's yours, Vash.
Oh, because I'm playing PlayStation All Stars.
Yeah, I was like trying to listen to this snoring. I was wondering.
Oh, let me move it then. You can hear. That better?
Yep, he's still snoring. No, it sounds exactly the same, but it doesn't.
Well, fuck it then. Ah, Nathan Drake gave me up.
Yep, he's still snoring.
Yeah, he's still
I'll
snoring.
take. He's white.
I'm just gonna be laughing when he wake up and be like, "You motherfuckers!"
Messed
I'm
up.
just waiting for that.
Hey, Kobe, if you admit Black Bond is right and could never be wrong, and everything you said about the Wii U was totally incorrect, you should snore some more. Snore to confirm it.
Yes!
It's more Black Bond. It's now been confirmed.
Oh, it's
You're
gonna be so
welcome,
fun.
Black Bond. He admitted it. Now you can post this up for more of your evidence that you post. That's such great evidence. Oh,
That
wow.
gets
He's
out.
Damn,
really admitting it.
you
really
admit.
Yeah, he really admitted that shit.
He's really admitting that you're right, Black. Anything else you guys want to say?
Let's see.
Kobe,
Kobe,
if you love me, snore.
If you love all of us.
There you go. Kobe, if you think
Yeah.
Sonic 6 is the best game ever, keep snoring.
Sonic 06.
Oh, he snores. Hilarious.
Kobe, if you gonna marry me in the future, snore.
If you gonna be
Yeah.
giving it up on Sunday.
After church.
Yeah, right after church.
Right after church.
Just
Kobe,
finished
if
getting
you
baptized.
that
Don't change your shirt.
You're down there in Mississippi, snores. Oh, okay. I knew it. Never. Them Southerners and their incest.
Messed up.
It's in the morning. 97.1. Oh, it's so bad.